must assume he is watching. For he will use all of man's fears to his advantage. Both his arrogance and perception of mortals is his greatest weakness.
What if we fail?
Ballistics ready for that body we found at the docks?
No, but we did have something even more interesting pop up. Coma guy woke up. Who? You know, the guy who legally changed his name to TikTok.
I'm gonna catch the bastard that did this to your dad. I'm gonna catch him.